Hi guys, there was an interesting email from the Growpital team to all the partners today, that is 12th of March. So I thought of summarizing the situation so far. Growpital, as most of you might be knowing, but for the uninitiated, is into farming business and sharing of profits with the partners. On 29 Jan 2024, the Securities and the Exchange Board of India, SEBI, suddenly froze the bank accounts of Growpital, claiming that it has collected money from investors while not having registered itself as a CIS or collective income scheme, and thus it was a risk to investors' money. Now, this action left Growpital in a lurch. They couldn't pay to farmers, they couldn't pay to their workforce, they couldn't run operations, and this started directly affecting their operations. From 29 Jan 2024 to 4th of March 2024, which is more than a month, Growpital cooperated with SEBI continuously, answered their queries, provided them documents, and kept asking for unfreezing the bank accounts, but SEBI did not yield. Growpital asked for an in-person meeting with SEBI to explain their point of view, but the in-person meeting was not granted by SEBI. In the meantime, precious time was getting lost with impending ruin of standing crops, farmers stopping work and agitating due to non-payment of salaries, effectively a nightmarish situation for all the stakeholders involved, Growpital, the farmers, the partners stroke investors. Whom was SEBI trying to protect anyway? By its decision to freeze bank accounts, it was, in practice, hurting all the stakeholders instead. Probably, a more calibrated action by SEBI would have been to freeze new investments, but at least let the existing business continue. But that is, of course, debatable. Anyway, so on 5th of March 2024, Growpital filed a writ petition in the Rajasthan High Court against the SEBI order. I'm no lawyer, but I quickly checked what does a writ petition in India mean, and I got the following information. A writ petition in Indian law is a formal written request or application filed in a higher court, typically the High Court or the Supreme Court, seeking judicial intervention and remedy for violations of fundamental rights or legal issues that require urgent attention. And clearly, this situation was, it required urgent attention because the crops were standing, business was getting affected, there were losses piling up every day, and of course, it's a fundamental right of Growpital to conduct the business. And kudos to the Rajasthan High Court. You got to hand it to the judiciary that they are top-notch intelligent people, that the High Court heard the matter on an urgent basis just 2 days later, on the 7th of March, and clearly the Honorable Court realized that if the matter is delayed, then there would be nothing left to save. The writ petition was duly served on SEBI. So I would say, super job, Rajasthan High Court. We're proud of you. The tentative date for next hearing is on 14th March, where Rajasthan High Court would probably hear both the parties, that is SEBI and Growpital, and then decide whether Growpital's bank accounts can be unfrozen and whether it can continue its business. So I'm waiting with bated breath for the 14th of March, and we'll see what's the outcome. In general, I believe that Growpital has taken the correct next step forward. Good luck to them and to all of us who are stuck here with our investments. More updates later. Bye for now.